In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a donation link with Square. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your dashboard, then click on Invoices and Payments over here on the left, and then from here, go to Payment Links and click on Payment Links again. Now, whenever you do this, you can see you can create one over here. So go to the top right and click on Create Link. And then from here, select Accept a Donation as your, of course, type. Now, whenever you do that, click on Continue again. And from here, you have to give it a title. So for example, I'm going to just name this one donation. Of course, you can be more specific. Then select your frequency over here. Type in your description for your donation. So this donation is for etc. or something like this. And then here you can upload images. You can set donation goals. So if you want to have a goal, for example, $500, and the deadline is going to be the last day of June, then you can, of course, you can put on custom fields and a confirmation if you want to redirect people. But that's essentially all you have to do. Then click on the save button top right, and you will get a link, which is going to be your donation link. You can add it or you can preview it. And then whenever you do this, as you can see, there we go. It's going to be your link over here, and you can use this as your donation link with Square. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.